guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix the Adventures of Elliot, the Millennium Tales game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, not loading, not launching, not opening, black screen or several other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen first, then press menu button on controller, then select quit option. Finally, restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. Next solution is to perform power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cache data. For that, open settings, then choose device and connections, click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage, choose clear persistent storage. Next method is to clear Xbox cache. For that, open settings, click on system, click on storage, then highlight storage device and press Y button on controller for device options. Under it, choose clear system cache. At last, confirm it by pressing yes. Next is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, select settings, choose network settings, click on test network connection, wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. Next method is to check for the game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is an update available, and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to the latest and not running on outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox and select system and then select updates. Here, check if any update is available and click on it to begin the updating process. Next method is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account, click on remove accounts. Here, choose the account to remove and then select remove option. After that, add the account again and then launch the game and check. Next method is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, then go to profile and system, click on settings, click on system, click on storage. Here, check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused tabs or games to create space. Next method is to reinstall the game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to my games and apps, select See All option. Here, select the Adventures of Elliot, the Millennium Tales game, press menu button, select uninstall. After the game is removed, open the Adventures of Elliot, the Millennium Tales official website and download the game. Next is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.